Click Add a Client under Client on the left. Fill out the client's name, group, and personal details. Groups can be added from the client list page. Select whether you want your client to have a shared profile where they log their own data or have an internal profile where you log their data for them. This setting can be changed at any time. If you are using a shared profile, enter their email address. An invitation will be sent to the client, and they'll be added to your client list as pending verification until they've accepted your invitation. Your client must accept within 7 days, or the invitation will expire. Your client will have access to the Cronometer Gold version of the app, which unlocks several premium features. Once accepted, you can access your client's data by clicking the arrow by their listing in the client list. From the diary page, scroll through their data, start a chat, or share a custom food or recipe using the 3-dot icon. Edit the client's profile and targets or customize their display from the menu on the left. View and create custom charts, access their nutrition report and fasting history. Add snapshots or notes from this menu as well.